Are you a sports blogger? You make commentary videos on social media on the hottest topics? Don't miss the hype. With the cutter tool, you can split, trim, and extract segments of video clips in only a few seconds. I'll show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. For processing video and audio files or extracting parts of them in high quantity, the cutter feature of the UniConverter is an effective tool. If you don't have the software yet, you can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. After opening the UniConverter, the cutter tool will be featured on the hot page of the software. This is the tab where you'll find all the hottest tools in the UniConverter. Click on the tool. When the tool interface opens, the next step is to import your audio or video file. Alright, now let me walk you through these features here. First of all, you can trim a clip by either dragging on the beginning and the end of it, or select a starting point, in point, and then click on this button here. Then select the end point, out point, and then click on this other button right next to the previous one. To split the video or audio clip to multiple segments, you can either move the cursor to any point of the clip and then click on the scissors icon. You may zoom in on the timeline here for more precision. Or use the auto split tool. To use the auto split tool, click on this button here. In this window, you can choose how you want to determine the amount of segments the clip will be split into. By entering a number here, you'll choose the amount of segments the video clip will be split into. If I enter 4, the video will be split into 4 segments. The other option is based on time. If I put here 3 seconds, the clip will be split every 3 seconds. On the right side here, you'll see the segments from the clip. You can delete these segments and choose to merge them all together while exporting. Before you export your file or files, you have 2 more things to do. First, choose an output folder. Then click on the settings icon next to the export button. Here select the output file type, which could either be an audio or video file. Then you can choose an output format from this list. Lastly, you can choose a compression ratio to make your files more compact. When you're done with all of your settings, click on the export button to initiate the process. And that's all. The cutter tool is an intuitive, easy-to-use tool for video creators that like to make their workflow easier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.